So the bird dog is a great exercise for being able to activate the core with a little bit of movement on each side, while trying to maintain a neutral spine and brace that core. So you're going to start on all fours. What you're going to do is extend the hand straight out as you extend the opposite leg um, straight out. So it's like you're pushing your fist straight out in front of you and you're kicking that heel back straight out behind you. You're going to hold that for about 10 seconds, bring it in and repeat. Just about going through that movement while trying to maintain a neutral spine. Try not to move around the spine or the hips. Try to maintain that while going through that movement to really help activate the core through movement.